Hey guys, Spunky Monkey here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix and set up the Turtle Beach XO1 headset. And yeah, so let's get to it. And first we're going to start with the problem. One of the main problems were because of this thing, the rubber thing. We couldn't get this thing plugged in all the way. So we had to take it off and plug it in. One of the other reasons why you need good batteries. You need fresh batteries in order for the headset to work. By what I mean is you can't, for an example, you can't have like your batteries at 30% or any of that, because then it won't work. And you want it fully, so then when you go to it, it works, and you don't have to go put in new batteries for that. And yeah, that's all for the problems. And one of the other things I tried was I tried unplugging everything from the thing, and then I let it sit for a second, let it turn off for about 15 minutes. I plugged it back in and it was working again. But I don't think that was one of the main reasons. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how to set it up. So the first thing you want to do is take this little part here that controls your volume for your chat, your mute, and your game. So you're going to plug that into here, like that, and make sure it's plugged in all the way, because that was one of the other reasons why it wasn't working. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the microphone and put it right in the little spot there between the cord. And you're just going to plug it in right there. And if it's confusing how to put it on, there's little letters inside, so it's right and left. And yeah, then that part's done. And then you just fix the microphone how you want. And then you plug it into the remote. Like that. And make sure the remote's turned on, or else it won't work at all. And you should be able to hear yourself talking in it. Like this. And then you're ready to go. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. And yeah, check out some of my other videos, and I hope you subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, goodbye.